Pugs die 5 years earlier than other dogs because they can't breathe through their nose. Kind of like that. They have a structural mouth breathing problem, so they are more prone to mouth breathing. 80% of people have a deviated septum, meaning you're living your life like a human pug. That's not cool. You're forcing your heart to work 20% harder every night just to pull air through a straw. Stop suffocating and open the valve. There's two ways to do this. The easy one is $20, big sale right now. It opens up your airway. You get a 30-day supply of these magnetic tabs, and it makes life easier. The other thing is a surgery that costs $3,000 to $10,000, 2 weeks of recovery, 20% rate of failure, which is something you don't want to do.